Students, we were discussing sum number 2 that is also there in the attachment. So just discuss the sum from the beginning. The data that are given in the question is the value of amplitude, the initial phase, and one statement is written that 150 complete oscillations are made per minute. So from this particular statement, we got the value of n, that is your frequency, and we have also calculated the value of omega because we already got the value of frequencies here. Okay, so omega's values is also there. So in the question you have been asked to find out the equation of the SH. Okay, so we can do it. So we can write the equation of SHM as x equals to the value of amplitude is what? The given 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 sine 5 pi t. Okay, why we are writing? Because we know that x equals to a sine omega t, so it is resembling this. Okay, so in another way, how can we write that? X equals to 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 cos 5 pi t. Okay, and it is resembling what? I'm writing here x equals to a cos omega t. Okay, and please don't forget to mention the units, that is meter. So these two are the answers. Okay, so these are the equation for the displacement. Yes, so you can express the data that you have got. From those data you can make out the equation of the SHA. Okay, very easy sum and very important also. So our second sum is also done. All right, now students, okay, let's discuss sum number 3. Okay, and one more thing students, in the class also I told you all that don't just remember the main equation of the SHM, that is x equals to e sine omega t. Several other equations also you can express this particular equation, so remember those forms of equations also. That means in the class also we have discussed the alternative equations of the progressive waves. Okay, you should remember the alternative form students. In any way it can come in the exam, not in the general formal way. Clear? So okay, rubbing it out. Okay students, just you go through the equation, the sum number 3. Now I will discuss. Okay, now let's discuss sum number 3. What is the question given? That the time period and the amplitude of a particle executing SHM is 12 seconds and 13 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Alright, so I'm doing the tabulation here. Okay, so time period's value is what? 12 seconds. Okay, and the amplitude's value is given only, a equals to 13 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. All right, and you have to find out, yes, so you have to find out, see, the second part is what is the velocity of the particle when it is at a distance of 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter from its equilibrium position. Alright, That means from this part, what can you write? You can write the value of x, that is your displacement. What is the value given? 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Alright, we can write it. Alright. Yes. So, from this displacement part, we can get the velocity, isn't it? So, we can write that velocity is one formula. If you just go through your textbook, you will see that one formula for velocity is plus minus omega root a square minus x square. Alright, I've told you previously also various forms for this progressive waves you will study. Alright, any formula you can need in your exam. So we are taking this formula. Okay, so plus minus omega root a square minus x square. Why we are taking this formula, students? Because see, the value of a, x all given. Alright, and the value of omega is also given. How the value of omega is given? See, what is the formula for omega? It's 2 pi by t, and your value of t is also given. Okay, so see, so for this omega we are using the t. Okay, so 2 pi by t we can write for the value of this omega. Root for ace, what we can write? 13 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square minus, we can write the value of x from this part, 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 square. Okay, and please don't forget to mention the unit, students. As I told you all, the unit for velocity is meter per second. Okay, so let's just do the calculation and your sum is over. Alright, if you do the calculation, students, you will get the final answer as plus minus, please don't forget to put this plus minus sign, 6.47 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter per second. Alright, very easy sum. Okay, now students, we have seen that how to find out the velocity